In 2025, one of the biggest disruptions in white-collar jobs isn't happening in tech or law or even media. It's happening in an industry most people thought was untouchable: insurance. The rise of artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of how policies are sold, claims are handled, and risk is assessed. But there's one burning question everyone's asking: is this the end for traditional insurance agents? Or is there a future where humans and machines actually work better together? Let's dive deep into this clash of technology versus tradition. The rise of AI in insurance. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has gone from a buzzword to a full-blown operational tool in the insurance world. It started small, chatbots answering customer questions and simple automation for processing forms. But now, AI is handling complex risk modeling, fraud detection, and even underwriting entire policies. Insurtech companies are pouring billions into AI systems that can deliver quotes in seconds and settle claims in minutes. Customers love the speed. Insurance giants love the cost savings. And that means the game is changing fast. Why AI is so effective in 2025? In 2025, AI isn't just reactive, it's predictive. Using vast amounts of data, machine learning models can now forecast how likely someone is to file a claim, how risky a zip code is, or how reliable a customer might be based on social media activity. Natural language processing allows AI to handle phone calls, emails, and live chats with near-human fluency. Meanwhile, visual AI can analyze car damage from photos, detect fraud from unusual spending patterns, and even estimate healthcare risks from wearables. It's fast, it's scalable, and it's cheaper than any human workforce. What this means for traditional insurance agents. Let's not sugarcoat it. Insurance agents are feeling the heat. In the past, agents were the gatekeepers of the industry, the ones you went to for quotes, advice, or claims. But today, a teenager with a smartphone can buy a full coverage car policy in under 5 minutes using an app. That's a massive shift in behavior. Many entry-level agents are being replaced by AI tools that can handle the same volume of clients without ever needing a lunch break. The result? Thousands of job roles are being redefined or eliminated entirely. But not all hope is lost for agents. Here's the twist: not every agent is being pushed out. In fact, agents who adapt are thriving in new ways. Instead of just selling policies, top agents in 2025 are becoming advisors, risk consultants, and even AI interpreters for clients. They guide people through complex insurance options, explain AI-generated reports, and offer a human touch when it's most needed, like during a disaster or a family crisis. These agents aren't just surviving, they're making more money than ever. Why? Because trust still matters, and in emotional decisions like life insurance or disability coverage, people often want a real voice on the other end. The rise of the hybrid agent. Welcome to the age of the hybrid agent, professionals who use AI as their sidekick, not their enemy. These agents rely on AI for research, client profiling, and quote comparisons. They don't waste time on paperwork, because automation handles that. Instead, they focus on building long-term relationships and providing personalized service that machines can't replicate. Think of them like Iron Man, just a regular guy, but with the help of high-tech armor. Hybrid agents are the new elite, and insurance companies are aggressively recruiting them. How AI is creating new millionaires in insurance. Here's the untold part of this story. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's also creating wealth. Agents who master digital marketing, use AI-powered CRMs, and offer virtual consultations are scaling faster than ever. One agent can now serve hundreds of clients across the country without opening a single physical office. AI helps them upsell smarter, reach better leads, and build automated pipelines. The result? Some agents are making 6 and even 7 figures solo. It's no longer about cold calling or door-to-door pitches. It's about strategy, scale, and smart tech adoption. Consumer experience has never been better. Another undeniable win in this revolution? The customer. In 2025, insurance buyers don't want to wait days for quotes or spend hours filling forms. With AI, they get instant responses, personalized policies, and real-time support 24/7. Claims that used to take weeks are now processed in hours using image recognition and algorithm-based reviews. AI helps flag anomalies, identify errors, and streamline approvals. All of this translates into fewer disputes, faster payments, and happier policyholders. And let's be real, happy customers come back. The dangers of over-relying on AI. But this shift isn't without risks. As AI takes on more control, ethical concerns are growing. What happens when an algorithm wrongly denies a claim? Or when bias creeps into underwriting data? There's a very real danger of turning insurance into a cold, faceless process, especially if companies ignore the human side of empathy and fairness. That's why regulators are stepping in. In 2025, AI in insurance is under strict watch. Transparency, auditability, and fairness are the new standards. And guess who helps maintain that balance? Human professionals. Job displacement, the harsh truth. Still, the fear is real for many workers. According to McKinsey, up to 25% of insurance-related jobs could be automated by the end of the decade. Roles in claims processing, underwriting, and customer service are especially at risk. For many, the future will require reskilling. The good news? Training programs for tech-savvy agents, data-literate adjusters, and digital advisors are booming. Governments and insurers alike are funding upskilling initiatives because they realize the industry doesn't need fewer people, it needs smarter ones. Startups versus giants. Who's winning? Another surprising twist in 2025 is who's leading this AI revolution. Yes, giants like Allstate, AIG, and State Farm are investing heavily in AI. But it's also the nimble insurtech startups like Lemonade, Hippo, and Root that are shaking things up. These companies are built on AI from the ground up. No legacy systems, no red tape, just rapid innovation. They're attracting young customers with slick apps, transparent pricing, and speedy service. But legacy giants are fighting back by buying startups, hiring tech talent, and rebuilding their models from scratch. What skills insurance professionals need in 2025? So, if you're in the insurance industry or want to be, what should you focus on? It's not enough to be a smooth talker anymore. Top agents today understand data analytics, CRM tools, customer behavior insights, and digital marketing. They also need emotional intelligence, the ability to connect, comfort, and consult in ways AI can't. Professionals who combine empathy with tech fluency are winning big. It's not about choosing AI or human, it's about blending both. The future isn't man versus machine, it's man plus machine. Let's get one thing straight. AI isn't here to wipe out the human workforce. It's here to evolve it. In the next decade, we won't see a total takeover by machines. Instead, we'll see a transformation in how humans work faster, smarter, and more connected than ever. The winners will be those who adapt, learn, and lead the change. The losers will be those who resist and cling to outdated systems. Just like every revolution before this one, it's not about the tech, it's about the people who know how to use it. Who really wins in 2025? So, who wins in this battle, AI or insurance agents? The answer: both. AI wins on speed, scale, and savings. Humans win on trust, creativity, and emotion. The smartest players in 2025 are combining both to create a supercharged insurance experience that's more efficient, more accessible, and more profitable than ever before. And the biggest winners? The ones who saw this change coming and decided to ride the wave, not fight it. What side of history will you be on? Will you let AI outpace you, or will you partner with it to create something extraordinary? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you worried, excited, or already adapting? And if this video helped you see the future more clearly, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into tech and the industries it's transforming. Stay sharp, stay curious. And remember, AI might be powerful, but it's the human mind that still writes the playbook.